Go.
I am going to be calm for this episode because I have to. But here in my hands, I have a regular consumer graphic card. This is not really the latest graphic card. This is a GTX 980 from Nvidia. And I wish that all graphic cards look like this, because I find that most graphic cards that are geared towards gamers tend to look over dramatic, and for me it doesn't really affect how they function. I prefer a good functioning product above everything. Anyway, if you look at a normal consumer graphic card, you realize that you have 5 connectors nowadays. So you have a DVI, and everybody knows this one. Everybody knows this one. This is a HDMI connection. Most of you will always use a HDMI, and then you see that you have a few more connections. You want to expand your workspace, add more monitors, and then you realize that you don't know how to connect to the others. You have 3 of these. What are these? These are actually called DisplayPorts. If you are a Mac user, you might probably be quite familiar with the mini DisplayPort. The old MacBooks, they use Thunderbolt 2.0, and this one is the full-size DisplayPort. Now, what is the issue? The issue is you can be building a workstation, you can be trying to be the most epic gamer with like 3 or 4 monitors and above, and you want to use all of this. What is the solution? I got a package from Shenzhen in China, one of my favorite places. I've never visited but would love to in the future. But Shenzhen is actually a place where they build pretty much most of our technology today, because they have all the best engineers and all the best builders, and the people are all there concentrated in one city in China, building all of this for us. Even our mobile phones are all built there. So they sent me a package. I'm gonna show you an unboxing. It's gonna help you with this issue. Well, what do we have here? And I'm trying my best to cut this properly. Okay, so let's open it up. What do we have? So this DVI adapter comes in a very nice packaging. Ooh, how do I pronounce this? Anwike Adapter. We have one single DisplayPort to HDMI. Very professional looking. Look at that threaded cable. And of course, every DisplayPort will come with a button for you to attach and remove, which is quite a secure connection, which is awesome. And some branding over here. Some information right up here. Okay. And the HDMI port for you to fit it in your HDMI device. Other than that, they have a user manual and an opportunity for you to give feedback. Okay, we're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, we've got a few suggestions. Tell your friends and family. Share your experience by writing a review on Amazon. Connect with them on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Okay, it's cool. So if you have any issue, you can just contact them straight away. And one more item for you to clean your little devices. You know what? I love how these new Chinese manufacturers really care about how you feel. They will give you something like this. They really want you to be happy with what they have given you. Even if you're happy, even if you're not happy, there's always an opportunity to talk. So it's a very straightforward device. Let's connect it. Hi, this is the back of my PC. Okay, as you can see, it's a jungle of cables because people who have jobs like me, I actually do this for a living, making visuals using my PC and doing video. Okay, I have no time to make all these minimally set up things because I'm too busy working. Anyway, so this is my graphic card section of the PC. Okay, like most of the modern commercial graphic cards, mine is a 1060 6GB because I can't really afford a 1080 Ti. If you have, let me know. So as usual, you have 5 connectors. For me, I'm quite lucky because 2 of which are HDMI and the other 2 are DisplayPorts and 1 DVI. I'm going to connect the Anwike adapter to the DisplayPort. Okay, so the HDMI cable goes into the female HDMI port here on the adapter, and then I'm going to connect it straight. I don't have 2 monitors, but I have a spare TV lying around. It's all connected. You can turn it over there. Okay, so now I have 2 fully working monitors. Okay, some details to share with you. This particular adapter works up to 1080p 60Hz. Okay, that's as good as you get. So I think it's great. You can read more in the link below. But other than that,
what was their face?
sometimes you're at a loss for words when you record video. Anyway, please buy. I need you to buy this. My career depends on it. Please. Okay, honestly, I feel that most people are not lucky to have many HDMI connectors on their graphic card. So I'm sharing this with you in case you only have 1 HDMI port on your graphic card, okay, and then you want to expand. So this is a very good solution for you to expand your monitors on your computer. Or if you're like me, I do video projection. I need multiple ports to do projection mapping because I use several projectors at a time. It's just that I don't have these projectors at home. The best I have is a television. Please understand. This is what I got, okay? But anyway, I think this is very useful. I think I would want to buy 2 more of these just to complement my setup. I think it will go very well. It's much better than a lot of the crap that you see and then shop and then building next to LaSalle. You know which building? At Rocho. Every time I go there, when I'm like hard pressed and last minute I want to buy, right, it's always crappy the cables. It's like Apple knockoffs. I think that the good thing about this particular adapter, right, is that it's 100% not a knockoff. It's its own original product that works very well, and I'm so happy. So thank you so much, Anwike, for letting me try this product. Yeah, and let's have the final words. That was a very simple demonstration of how I put everything together. So simple, plug and play, connect to your TV, connect to an external monitor, more monitors, more power to you. But I just want to leave with one note. If you notice, pulling on the adapter doesn't really work like what you're used to with HDMI. That's something good about DisplayPort. It's a very secure connection. So if you want to remove this, you gotta press this little button here and it's out. What I like about this product is it's a very good convergence of all the factors that matter to you, namely price and performance and customer service. So when you buy this product, it will cost you around $10 USD. Delivery is very fast, and as you can see from the unboxing, Anwike really cares a lot about how you feel. They have a Facebook account, Instagram. You can even email them if you have any feedback. All factors considered, I think it is something that you can look into if you want to expand your workspace, especially for PC. it's a great solution, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Like if you like, just leave a comment if you want to say what you want to say. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Say what?
Yeah, the thing about making videos is that it's actually a very unnatural process. The funniest part is that you're trying to look natural, but looking natural is very unnatural. I haven't even put my mic on yet, so sound is gonna sound like crap.